Greetings, it's CDateTime, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can calculate the difference in time between two times in C#. So let's get right into it. Make sure you have using system imported at the top of your code because we'll be needing it for this tutorial. So firstly, we need to make two DateTime objects. So we're going to do DateTime, start time equals new DateTime, then a year, then a month, then a day. Then we can do hours, minutes, and seconds. So you might be thinking, okay Max, it's great that the time is in there, but also the date's going to be in there, which means that could impact the calculation of the time gap. And I'm going to say this, it's not going to impact the calculation. And to prove it, I have put a ridiculous year that is centuries into the future. And basically, we've got the hours, then the minutes, then the seconds here. These three numbers don't really matter, but they do need to be valid for a valid date. DateTime, end time equals new DateTime, 2024, 1 and 20. And then we're going to do 14, 30 and 0. So the time in the DateTime object operates using 24-hour time. So if you want to do 2:30 in the afternoon, you need to do 14 and a 30. Then we're going to make a TimeSpan object, and we're going to do TimeSpan, time difference equals endtime.timeofday minus starttime.timeofday. And here we're going to be getting the difference between the time of days. And we're not going to be including the date in this calculation. After that, we're going to do console.writeLine time difference plus time difference, referencing our TimeSpan object here, .toString. So here we're going to be converting our time difference to a string and printing it out to the console. However, there's a bit more we're going to do. So if we want to specifically get something like the hours or the minutes from our time difference, we can do int hours equals time difference.hours or int minutes equals time difference.minutes. If you anticipate these values being gigantic, you can use a long instead of an int. After that, we're then going to do console.writeLine time difference plus hours, hours and plus minutes. So we're going to be printing out the hours and the minutes to the console, and then we do console.readKey to stop the console from closing. So let's save our work and hit play. As you can see, it's 4 hours and 30 minutes. Let's do one more time, just to be safe, and it works. But what happens if we do the later time as the start time? So we'll do 22 here and we'll do 10 here. Well, it just gives you a negative value, which is quite good. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.